Welcome. In this video I will show you how to set an image as a watch face on Apple Watch Ultra 3. To do it, you're gonna need to use an iPhone since you cannot apply a photo as a watch face on your Apple Watch itself. Open the app library and search for watch application. Once you find it, open it. Then click Face Gallery and then scroll to Photos. Then select this option and then select one of the types of the watch faces. Select the one that looks the most appealing to you. For example, I'm gonna go with this option right here and then select you can either shuffle different photos, or if you want to choose a specific image, go to choose photos and then select one of the photos from your gallery, or you can select up to 24 photos from your gallery in order to shuffle them on your watch face. I'm gonna select just one. Just let me find one. Okay, so let me use this one. Tap OK. Then choose the time size and the position. For example, this one. Then you can select the font. Then the numerals from the list, and then the style of the watch face. I like this one, and then the photo color if you want to change it. I'm gonna use this one, then the time color too, and then you can add the complications at the top and at bottom by expanding this list and selecting one of the available complications. So for example, let's put the alarms to the top and the bottom will be occupied with battery level. Okay. And right now, to add this watch face to your Apple Watch, click Add. And let's wait until it's applied. Okay, and after a minute or so, the watch face was added to the watch face list. Now let's unlock the Apple Watch. Hold down the existing watch face, and as you can see, it's not yet added to the Apple Watch itself, so we just have to wait for a minute or so until it appears on the watch's screen. Okay, and I can see that it has already appeared here. Oh, okay, there are many photos, so I accidentally selected two more photos, but still it's working the way it was supposed to. Still there is a watch face taken from the photos. And that's basically how you do it. You can also edit this watch face by holding down and selecting edit, and then changing the time size, the time font, numerals, everything we did on the phone except for the photos, because the photos is the only thing that you can only change on your phone. But all the visual elements besides are customizable right from your Apple Watch. And now to remove it, just hold down your finger on it and then swipe it up, click remove, and that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you liked it, consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like in the comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.